All right, now everybody suffered a breakout at one point or another. Tell us about the skin repair package.
Oh, this is my favorite. I actually use these 3 products every single day. This has a cleanser, a pore minimizing astringent, and a hydrating emulsion. This is oil-free, tear-free, sulfate-free, the cleanser, and it's just fabulous for everyday use. It has salicylic acid in it, so it's really gonna get those cells turning over, and that's really what we want. This cleanser is fantastic. It doesn't strip your skin, but it really leaves you feeling clean. It gets all that makeup off that we wear all day. The pore minimizing astringent, it has a peptide in it that actually really minimizes those pores. The moisturizer is so light, it's really an emulsion. The emulsion also contains pink grapefruit, which is naturally antimicrobial.
The great thing about this product is male, female, young, you know, someone in their 40s or 50s. The packaging isn't scary to anybody. It's gentle enough that I feel like a teenager could use this. And it's effective enough to where I feel like a woman in her 40s or 50s going through like post-hormonal acne or hormonal change could use it.
Clear unwanted blemishes and reduce pore size while hydrating the skin with KERACELL's Skin Repair Package. Available now at KERACELL.com.